Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your default apps. So, you want to open an image or eTail and it comes up with an error message. So, for example, I go to open that image there and it comes up with an error message like this. Or, I go into here and try to go to eTail and the same thing happens. Don't worry, this is easily fixed with the solution that we've got here for you. There is another one, but this is the first one we recommend you try. So, to start with, we go to the Windows icon here, we right click it, and then we click on Control Panel. So this will open the Control Panel. This is how we want it to look eventually. Well, at the moment, it will probably look something like this. So to change that, we go to View By, and then we click on this category next to it, and then we select either large icons or small icons. Both of those are fine, it's entirely down to your preference. In this case, I'm going to choose large icons. So, in here, we want to go to Default Programs, and then set your default programs. So, in the page that appears, it may take a minute to load or so, if you've never run this before or you've got lots of programs, but it shouldn't be too bad. Once it's loaded, you should see a list of all of the apps installed on your computer. So to start with, we want to set our web browser. So for most of you, it will be Google Chrome. For some people, it will be Firefox or Internet Explorer or Opera. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, as that's what most people use. So we click on Google Chrome. You should see that it says it has a limited number of its defaults set. So to fix this, we click Set this program as default. And you should now see that it has all its defaults. Once we've done that, we want to do the same thing for Outlook Desktop, which will do all of your mail for you. Then we want to set Windows Media Player, if you have it. You can also set VLC Media Player, if you've got that one instead. That's for your music and video, so same procedure. Then for photos, you can set either Windows Photo Viewer or Paint or Paint.net or whatever you prefer. In this, we'd recommend you use Windows Photo Viewer normally, but if you don't have it or you just don't want to use it, we'll just use Paint. And then finally, for PDFs, you want either Adobe Acrobat Reader DC or some variation of this usually. Some people may be using a program called Foxit. Don't worry if you don't have this program, because your web browser should be able to handle this for you. So once you've done that, we can exit out of here, and we now need to test that it's worked. So if we go to the same we tried to open before, you'll see it opened up just fine. So we'll close that back down again. We then go into MIS, try and open the order again, and you'll see it opens up just fine. So that should have sorted your issue. If it has, fantastic. If it hasn't, don't worry, you can try the next process.